Cut the potatoes thinly. Then, cut the potatoes lengthwise. Cut into small dice. Cut the carrot thinly. Then, cut the carrots lengthwise. Cut into small dice. Slice spring onions. Cut white cabbage and purple cabbage. Ready to cook. Add enough oil. Add carrots and potatoes. Add white cabbage and purple cabbage. Mix well. Add the shredded chicken. Add spring onions. Stir again. Add ground pepper. Add chicken seasoning. Instant vegetable soup seasoning. Add white noodles. Stir until everything is evenly mixed. Flour solution with water. Stir until mixed. Prepare one spring roll skin filled with vegetables. Then, put it according to the method in the video. Glue it using a flour solution. Turn on the stove. Add enough cooking oil. When the oil is hot, add the spring rolls.
A few moments later.
Don't forget to turn it back and forth so it doesn't burn. When it's cooked, drain it straight away. Ready to eat with sauce or chili. Good luck, hopefully useful.
Bring it down, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts.